2 for 2.
All right. And on, off. All right.
Are we micing up?
Yeah, I just mic'd this up.
Sweet. Let us fill the airwaves
Go
with
ahead.
silly banter.
Let me do more attack speed. Always more attack speed.
Can never hurt.
Well, hopefully it hurts more.
Yeah.
Like that.
Laser.
No, that's a donkey tooth.
Oh well.
Rare. What do we want?
I don't know. Oh, give me the launcher. There we go.
Oh yeah, the one that like does death explosions
Yep.
and
Explosive infected knives. Yay. As I fly through the air.
with the greatest of ease.
Dad would actually sing a version of that as he was pushing me and my sister on the swings when we had a swing set in the back.
Who would?
My dad.
Alright, let's go down, Mr. Flyer.
Yeah. Magna worm.
Alright, I think at this point the most helpful thing would actually be mirrors.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go grab this
Oh Jesus, the mirrors.
and then we'll do this and get another Hapu.
Yeah. Oh, we.
Whee! Alright, don't go off the map.
Yeah.
Let's do that for you. No? Okay, fine, teddy bear.
Yeah, whatever.
Alright, let's go down here. Oh, I might actually die. Oh. Oh. Ah! Ah!
I gotcha. Laser gotcha. Good old Laser Gator. Going back to Twitch Plays Pokemon.
Let's get you a broken mirror.
Yeah.
So then you throw 2 knives. That one.
How do I get rid of my old one?
Whatever you use to...
If I can frickin'.
It's Y. There we go. Alright.
Just wanted to make sure I used the missile before I got rid of this thing. Alright. Broken mirror.
That's all we got. Alright, I need health regen.
Yeah. Yeah, get you some,
So-
either donkey teeth or...
Donkey teeth. And I'm gonna want some... Oh wow, tearing.
Yeah,
Tearing much.
just a bit.
Wee!
Good.
Wee! Boom.
So my question is, who's going to be the face of our D&D group? I guess it'll have to be the Warlock Paladin thing.
Okay, he's gonna be the only one with charisma.
Yep. So I said if I had to, like if the front line is too heavy, I have my Dex Hexblade,
Okay.
who's a pretty funny guy.
What do I need?
Donkey Teeth, Bitter Roots, Health.
Yeah, I'll do a couple bitter roots. And some donkey teeth. Alright. Let's go find this teleporter and tear shit up.
Yeah. This dude wears medium armor, He can Eldritch Blast, of course. That's what he'll do at range, but he can also ruin mages by getting right up on them and hitting them with a rapier.
Emphasis on the first syllable.
Yep. Oh, and the whole Darkness Devil's Sight combo will be going on.
What the hell is this teleporter?
He'll be a pretty good guy for sneaking, too. Because he'll have all the charisma stats. Oh, his background's kind of fun, though. He was a fence in a criminal operation. If you're familiar with fences.
No.
They actually purchase stolen goods and resell them. They're kind of like the middleman in between the thief and the person who buys the stolen goods.
Oh. Alright, let's find this thing. I want to go kill Providence.
See, that's what he did.
Did we already pass it? Where's this thing?
I'm killing a scavenger right now, so... Where the freak?
Yeah, where the heck? Well...
Oh, we got another rare. All of you.
What do we want?
I don't know. What do you want? It's all you. I got what I want. Happy mask.
Ghosties. To compliment the happy claps.
Yep.
Oh, I need the one where my rounds go through enemies.
Oh, yeah. Which one is that?
Come back up here, please.
Sorry, I fell.
I don't know.
I'll get out the way.
Oh, that one. Oh, no, that's knocking enemies backwards. Alright, well, let's go find this.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw the ladders.
Yeah.
Whoa, glitch!
Oh, hello.
Hello!
What? Where are we?
What the fuck?
Where are we?
Oh,
there I am. I'm way down in this corner. What the fuck? Okay. Where? Hey, there I am.
there we are. Okay.
How did that happen? There it is.
How do we derp?
Desmond the Moon Bear. Okay, let's get out of here.
Let's go up here. Choke point.
Yep.
Holy balls!
Going in.
Use the item. We have a rare.
I got you.
Alright, your fourth ability is going to be powered.
Okay.
Take it.
Where is it?
The scepter.
There we go. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Finally. Never seen how that works. Let's maybe go find out. Oh, that's what it does. Oh, it lets me use it twice.
Abilities are,
lets me use it twice.
powered.
Okay. That's nifty.
Let's go back.
Yeah, fun thing with this Hexblade guy is he actually. You want me to take that, or?
Yeah.
He actually mostly sells the stolen stuff to rich people. He like dupes them into paying way too much for it, and then actually gives a lot of the money away. He despises what he perceives as ill-gotten gains, so he steals it from them indirectly, under the shade of a legitimate business, and
sells it back to him.
Sells it back to him, and then gives the money to other people.
All right.
So he's a funny guy.
Let's run around, I guess. There's one.
Oh, there's a penis up there.
I'm a flying machine gun.
Do you want the Hapu, or should I take it?
No, go ahead and take it. I'm a flying machine gun.
I'm a flying. I don't know what the frick I am. I don't know what I'm doing.
You're a flying fractal.
Yeah.
Alright. Come on.
Alright, enemigos. Donde está?
Oh, yeah, no, we need to go down. Wow, that's a lot of anti-gravity.
Yeah.
Wee! Down here.
Oh, that's right, okay.
And we gotta go left, alright. Go like this. Wait. Wait.
Oh, jeez, okay.
Alright, down here.
There's one.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Back to the telly.
Well, let's get these.
Yeah, sure.
Get a scarf. Scarf. Get
Scarf.
bottom left. One from the right.
There it is, okay. Hermit's scarf. Yeah, screw the ladders.
Wait. Alright. B.
Let's do this.
We're going to Providence!
I don't mean Rhode Island. Boo.
Boo!
That's on the recording.
Yeah, that's on the recording.
Yay.
Wait. I still gotta wait at these stupid things.
Oh, yeah. I'll get the knives going.
I need a staples button.
Yeah. Boom, that was easy.
What else can I do for on-hit effects? Mortars!
Oh, yes. Tubes.
Mortars!
Tubes.
No, I don't want those.
Tube of the noob.
Because those apply on shoot effects, right?
I think so, yeah.
On hit effects.
I'm gonna go over here and kill this mofizzle.
What the?
Should we just get out of here and go through?
Yeah. Don't mind me.
Yep.
Just flying and shooting my machine gun.
Yeah. Don't mind me just flying and juggling knives.
You know what? Let's go straight to Providence.
Okay. Where would that be?
I think I remember. This way. Wait! Wait! Glitch coin.
Tubes on tubes on tubes.
Ooh, sticky bombs.
Yay. told me I could become anything I want. So I became a flying knife juggler.
Sounds like a bad D&D character.
It does.
It's like the Mark meets...
Meets like Thunder Cleric who can fly around at level 20. Oh gosh. Because that's what would have happened to Osamu if I had taken him full on level 20 as a cleric.
He can fly?
He would have been able to fly. I'll fly a little more.
Ready?
Yep.
Go!
Shields up. And I don't care. I'm just trying to freak him out, honestly. Just keep moving, just keep moving.
Wait.
It's like that solid snake thing in Brawl.
Yeah. We're like, ah.
Yeah, he's aiming at you and you're just like, get out the way. Okay.
Are you ready to tear it up on his pets?
Yep.
And activate and fire. Well, that was quick.
Yeah.
Die.
No, you.
Not today. Ah! Ah!
Laser. Oh, his shadow.
Yeah, you don't want a hug from him.
Yeah.
Shields up, shields down. Well, that was easy.
Yep.
Huh.
Yay.
That's kind of anticlimactic.
Yep. Just we didn't even really we didn't even see the black white things that he'd shoot at you. You know, the grayscale version of
And so he left with his Pyrrhic plunder. What?
Bandit, I don't know.
I don't know. Huh.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah, that was fun. Alright.
Starring lemurs.
Yours truly, parents and children.
Yes.
The
Oh,
Ifrit.
crit fail.
Cremator. Scavenger.
Penis. What else? Oh, the stupid thing that launches the bombs at you on the magma level. That is the cremator, I
Yeah,
guess.
Cremator.
Cremator.
Starring Cremator.
What is our most hated enemy, I wonder?
What do you mean? Well,
Isn't
nothing
it-
killed us.
That's true. Well, something killed me once, but that's about
Happy
it.
clap!
Happy clap! Yep. Snow golems.
Yeah. Well,
Oh,
that's fun.
yep. And now a gas station run to troll Josh.
And we're done.